Did you know that they're going to crash the International Space Station? Did you know scientists developed technology to control cyborg insect swarms? Did you know that woodpeckers don't even get headaches when they do their thing? There's trillions of dollars floating around in all of this. Let's figure out how to get our slice of the pie. The construction of the world's first commercial space station is underway by aerospace company Axiom. Following completing preliminary and critical design reviews in collaboration with NASA, our partners at Thales Alenia Space began welding and machining activities for the primary structures of Axiom Station's first module. The 24 Hours of Le Mans program is aiming to create a class for prototypes with an electric hydrogen powertrain. The use of a new form of energy represents a groundbreaking challenge in motorsports. New developments in nanomedicine, which is the use of nanotechnology in the medical field to diagnose and treat disease. It involves the use of materials and devices that are extremely small, like nanometers small. Where we're going is pretty exciting, and there have never been more opportunities to get in on the action. Whether you're into aerospace, the automotive industry, medicine, I don't know what the they're doing at Boston Dynamics. Fifth thing. Anyways, I'm Joe, and you can find me here. I'll see y'all real soon.